Welcome to Poseidwntech. Today we have SwitchBot Curtain Rod 2. But first, let's compare it with the previous version. This is the SwitchBot Curtain Rod. So, let's check and compare it. But first, let's unbox it. Inside the box, first you can find this paper with some instructions, the one hook, and the actual device with the second hook, which we can mount like this. There is also one box and the second one. Let's open first this one, the smaller one. Here you can find these plastic clips for the curtain and a USB-C to USB-A cable for charging. Inside the second box, we have this bedge fixer, which is more or less a chain with these plastic clips. Also, inside this bag, we have this flexible aluminum piece, which you can use in case your rod is extendable. Enough with the content of the package. Now it's time to compare the new version with the previous one. As you can see in this newer version, the main difference is on the hooks. The size seems to be the same, but there are big differences in the hooks. In the newer version, the hooks are also reversible. Okay, let's check first the oldest version. It seems that the hooks are tightly connected and you cannot lift only one, they lift together. And don't forget that this is plastic. In the newer version, the hooks are totally independent. Also don't forget that these small rollers in the newer version are much bigger. And also have this pattern for better grip. It seems that the hooks are the only difference. But it seems to be a big improvement compared to the previous version. Each hook is totally independent and they are made out of steel. Much more flexibility. But now let's install it. First, we need to mount the one hook, then the second one, and then just clip it together, like this. Much easier. Now let's remove it and put it behind the curtain in the actual position. We can do it even blind. That's it. Once we mount both devices, it's time to add them to the application. Let's open SwitchBot app. As you can see, the curtains already appear. We select from which side our curtain open, from the middle. Find and add the first curtain. It is ready after some seconds. Add also the second. Also a couple of seconds. And both devices have been added. Press next. We give it a name. Select a room. Press next. Select the type. In our case it's rod. We got some information about the mounting. Some instructions about the grommet. Press next. And it's time for calibration. Here we have to tap in one of the SwitchBot curtains, either left or right. Calibrate the first one. Put it to fully open position. Now put it to fully closed position. The same for the second one. Fully open and fully closed position. And then press next. Then both devices move to fully open. Both curtains to fully closed. And that's it. The calibration did not take more than a couple of minutes. And now it's time for some tests. As you can see, it works perfect. It seems that there are some serious improvements in the Rod version 2. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please press like and consider subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video.